Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at VAPA, Vista Academy of Visual and Performing Arts, here in Vista, California, and home of the Bulldogs, part of the Vista Unified School District. Here for my third visit this school year, 2023-2024, and building on what we've already talked about on my previous visits for the AM/PM students, the after-school students and staff, and that was respect, right? As the primary topic on the screen, you'll see we are all miracles, the underlying theme. And that's the theme I bring up in all my assemblies, but we really tried to hone in on that today, how we talk about that we all have the letter M on all of our palms with the lines of our hands. Sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here, but have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, like the front of my shirt here too. To remember that we all are all true miracles, and we can really truly give that love out if we choose to. It starts with having that self-respect too. We asked what respect is. We finished with a call and response rap, talking about who do we respect, and we respect me, and who do you respect? We respect we, right? Where do you respect here at school, and why do you respect? Because it's cool, but also because it can change lives, right? It can change hearts, and we know that the power of our actions, no matter how small that action, can really make a difference. And these assemblies, they keep building on the ones that I have on bullying, diversity, positivity, leadership, now compassion, perseverance, and there's always underlying themes of bullying prevention, but it's so critical, that we're reaching all the grades, TKK all the way to 5th, because the role models are in this room, right? Especially the older students, the younger ones really do look up to them, literally, also figuratively. And if we can really be that change, show that kindness, choose kindness, that's what I'm always trying to reinforce, right? Through a series of inspirational videos, the positive music that we did, the start one that was a hand motion rap as well, and through the heartfelt stories, the picture slides, the physical props, the visual aids. That's how I'm able to get my message across, right? Hammer something home, impress upon their hearts that they have this power, again, even at a young age, to really truly have a big impact, here in this world, not only in their school community, but seeing the ripple effects, as we go out into the community itself, right? And, for me, it's something that's personal because in my life, having sometimes been short to temper, there's one activity that we talked about too, the stop and pop, right? That we kind of pause. The POP stands for power of pause. It's a move in basketball where you kind of get low, you survey the court, you don't rush, you assess the situation fully, you respond versus react, right? So if someone's mean to me, I'm not mean right back, right? Maybe I put myself in their shoes, maybe they're going through a lot right now, right? And maybe they're hurting in their heart. And if we can rise above that hate and show them the love and kindness that they truly need, then that's how we really start to change things, right? And of course, we have to have that self-love first, that self-respect first before we can give it out. But I think the students really did take that to heart today. So thank you all so much for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.